All right, so we just got done unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro Max here, and we've also showed off the iPhone 17 Pro with a couple cases and all that good stuff. Now it's time to protect it in terms of the screen. So this video is actually about ESR's UltraFit Armorite Pro screen protectors. They're 10 times stronger than standard screen protectors, 2 times better scratch resistance, and 25% reduction in scratch visibility when it does get scratched. This is Accessory Glass by Corning, and I believe this will be one of the top of the line screen protectors for this phone, because I have tried a lot of ESR products and they are very, very good and thoughtful about their design and the way that they work everything, basically. So I trust in their design process, and I think they would make good choices for this kind of thing for sure. So let's open this up. And very nice press here, open it, and we have all 3 of these. It looks like one of them is kind of coming out a little bit, so hopefully that didn't affect anything. We have one case, so we have a set here. So we have 1, 2, and then one's already in here. So we have 3 whole iPhone cases. We have 3 iPhone screens here, which is awesome. So we're just gonna put this out and leave this there. And I'm gonna show you how to use it. So basically you unsheath one of these and hook it into the back of the case here, which one is already nicely placed, but of course we can just lift this off and it comes right off just like that. Actually, no, yeah, that's fine. So then we put this back in, make sure it's nice and in the slots and everything, and it's ready to go. So all we're gonna do is take our 17 Pro Max. It's pretty clean right now, knock on wood. They do get, actually I'm gonna use the tools because I could see already a dog hair. My dog's hairs get everywhere. So I'm gonna clean this off. They give you a nice little squeegee as well to get rid of any bubbles. I'm actually gonna keep this. This is a nice looking squeegee. It even has a little felt on the side. Okay, nice. So instructions, we use the wet wipe first. And get it nice and clean. That way the screen is good to go. Again, this matters less on new screens, but this does help get any dust and stuff that's in the air or has touched your phone since you've opened it. Next, we're going to use the microfiber cloth to get rid of any of the excess liquid from that first one. And then once that's there, we can use the dust sticker to remove any, but I don't think there is. So we're just going to grab this, make sure of the orientation here. Yep, phone camera goes up and we drop it in. We can see that that fits in perfectly. We're gonna go ahead and close this up because it does have a little circle here, and that's gonna push the phone down. So we press here, and as we're pressing here, this is really cool. We press here and we just pull that down. And that's all you need to do. When we open this back up and take our phone out, we've got a perfectly applied screen protector. And then for these sides, we just want to curve these on and get it nice and clean, just like that. There are no bubbles or anything on this screen protector. I can't actually show you because it has, actually, here we go. So absolutely nice, super clean. I love it. This is a great setup here. Let's go ahead and go through the process again, just to make sure it's nice and easy for anyone trying this at home. All you do is you take this out, drop it into the case, easy as pie. Put this into the little slots there so it stays in place. Grab the phone and drop it in face down. Close this, hold here nice and tight, and then pull this out. And just like that, we have applied a screen protector. And all we need to do is grab this here and get rid of any little bubbles or things like that that might exist on the screen. Go along all the sides and corners to get it wrapped nice and perfect, and you're good to go. Absolutely solid screen protectors, and I'm excited to put it to use. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Peace.